What's up guys, today we're going to be taking a look at these Skullcandy Riff headphones, and I've really been enjoying these. They're on-ear headphones and they're pretty nice at this $30 price point right now, and you can they did get a $20 price slash, which is really nice. So I think if you can pick them up for this 30 bucks, they're actually a steal because I've really enjoyed them. So let's go ahead and get started with these specs. So of course they're Bluetooth wireless. It says they have an ultra durable headband, 12 hours of battery life on this guy. You have your little controls, which you will get into, your rapid charge. If you plug it up for 10 minutes, you get 2 hours from a dead charge, which is pretty nice. And you have the active assistant on here. So as you can see, it's pretty much a plastic design. It's plastic everywhere. And when you first look at these, if you're hard on your headphones, you might want to shy away from just like all plastic, but so far they've been pretty durable. But like I said, I have to use them for longer. I'm usually pretty light on my headphones, so I don't break a lot of stuff, but they seem pretty durable. They don't seem like they're gonna break just by moving it. The headband is pretty stretchy. I don't have to adjust these. I guess I have kind of like a small head, so I can just put it on, and I don't have to really move it. As you can see, they do swivel. The ear cups are extremely soft, very soft. Now I wonder about like this part ripping in time, but like I said, I'm going to do an updated video on these. But they are extremely soft, and they're very comfortable to put on your head. You shouldn't have any issues with these. They stay firm on your head, so you can even work out with these and you'll be fine. So on the right side of the headphones, you have your volume up, volume down. You have your power on button, and you can also use this as a play pause button just by tapping it. If you have an Android phone, you will get the battery life right here. Riff wireless, it tells me I'm at 60% right now. Now the volume controls on here work really nice. They have a really nice clicky feel to it. I can go ahead and play and pause, no problem. Everything works fine. So when you're watching YouTube videos, you won't really notice any latency problems with this guy. It's been pretty spot on, which is very nice for wireless headphones. Now these guys don't have a headphone jack, but it's not really a big deal for me. But for some people, like if they die and you're in the middle of listening to music, then you have to take them off and plug them up. But some people don't like that, but it would have been a nice little perk. But for 30 bucks, you can't really complain about that. So this also does charge with micro USB as well. Here's the cord. It's not the longest, but it's fine, I guess. So let's go ahead and talk about the sound quality. So the headphones are actually pretty great for this price point. As you guys know, I've been using the Panasonic little earbuds. These are usually my go-to headphones. They cost $7, but I swear that they sound like $100 headphones. These are actually very nice. So I wanted to upgrade to wireless because I'm always using wired headphones, even with the Audio Technicas, the over-ear ones. And this is a nice little step up, so I can get up and leave my phone just sitting here and go in the kitchen or whatever, and I don't have to worry about dragging the phone everywhere. Which is very nice. The sound quality is very nice. The mids and the highs sound great. Pretty much in any genre of music. So you're listening to hip hop, you get a nice amount of bass. Rock music, you'll get great mids and highs as well. So everything has a nice clarity to it. Nothing is really overpowering with these headphones. That's the main thing about these guys. Nothing is overpowering. Everything is very balanced. So if you have Dolby Atmos on your phone, you'll get even better audio performance with this guy, which is awesome. Now as far as the mic quality on here, it's fine for phone calls. It's not anything supernaturally good. I'm going to turn it up for you. So as you mic test 212, mic test 212. So it's got a little noise to it, but it's perfectly fine for a phone call. So can I say anything really negative about these guys? Not really, because of the price point, and they actually hit every spot that you would want in a budget pair of headphones. The only thing really super budget about this is like the design. It's just all plastic, so I worry about the durability over time. But like I said, for that price, these are great. They sound great, they fit great, very comfortable. These are just an awesome set of over-ear headphones. So what do you guys think? Let me know. If you want to buy, be sure to hit up the description down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.